Haymes Paint Show Me is about getting amazing results on your DIY painting projects.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to make your weatherboards look like new with Haymes Solar Shield.
Tackling any paint job can be done with our 3 Ps: planning, preparation and painting. Step 1. Planning. First, choose your colour from the Haymes Paint colour range. For this home, we have chosen Wilds for the weatherboards, Arboretum for the gutters and fascia, and Classic Grey 1 for the trims. Work out how much paint you'll need with our calculator, or ask your friendly Haymes Paint staff member. Haymes Paint Solar Shield is ideal for the exterior of your home, available in a low sheen, satin or gloss finish. Here's what you'll need: safety gear, preparation gear, painting gear, and most importantly, the stars of the show. Step 2. Preparation. Remove anything that restricts access to the walls. Lay down drop sheets and securely position ladders or trestles. Now wash your surfaces thoroughly with Haymes Paint Unikleen to remove all dirt and grime, then rinse and allow to dry for at least 2 hours. A quick tip to test the adhesion of your existing paint: cut an X into the coating, apply adhesive tape over the top and remove. If the tape removes any of the existing paint like this, you will need to remove all previous coats in that area by scraping and sanding back to a bare surface. If the X test doesn't lift any paint, simply sand all weatherboards back to a dull, smooth finish. Any bare areas after sanding will need to be spot primed with Haymes Paint Ultra Cover. Then fill any holes or imperfections with an exterior grade filler. Any gaps or cracks around the house should be filled with Haymes Paint Gap Filler. Now you're ready to start painting. Today we're using Haymes Paint Solar Shield for a premium finish. Always stir your paint thoroughly before and during application. The trick with painting exteriors is to start at the top, beginning with the gutters and fascia, before painting the weatherboards and finally your trims. To paint the gutters and fascia, we are using Solar Shield in a contrasting colour. To paint the boards, begin by brushing the underside edge before moving onto the face. It's important to work horizontally and work on only 1 or 2 boards at a time across the length of the board. Again, we paint from the top down and always overlap each brush stroke by about 10 to 15 centimetres. Now you have finished your first coat, wait at least 2 hours before applying the second. Follow the same process for the second coat. The final step is to paint your trims with Haymes Paint Ultra Trim, perfect for contact areas like windows and doors. Now stand back and enjoy your home's new look. Further information is available on our Haymes Paint Show Me instruction sheets, in-store or online.